Okay. Now tell me, can you tell me what letter is it?
Ha.
Ha. Say it properly.
Ha.
Ha. From middle throat.
Ha.
Good. And this one?
Kha.
Good. And this one?
Dal.
Very good. And what letter is it?
Dal.
Zal. What letter is it?
Dal.
Zal. Say it properly. Zal.
Dal.
Good. What is the difference between dal and zal?
Zal has a dot on top, and Dal doesn't, and they both
Good.
don't have the same color.
Good. And what letter is it?
Ra.
Say it properly.
Ra.
Ra. Like that.
Ra.
Good. And what letter is it?
The.
Say again.
The.
Za. Say it properly.
The.
Good. What is the difference between ra and za?
Ra doesn't have a dot, and Za has.
Good. Now, what letter is it?
Seen.
Say it properly, as I told you.
Seen.
Good. And what letter is it?
Seen.
Sheen. Good. Say again.
Seen.
Good. So this is for today.
Okay.
Inshallah, we will do it in the next class, the rest of the letters. Okay.
Okay.
So let's
في
start.
عالم الإنسان كل له ميدان وليس أعلى شان من حملة القرآن أصواتهم مسرى صدورهم سكنى سرورهم لقاء